The need for a larger wastewater line in northern Frisco provided the opportunity to build a hike and bike trail connection.
The impact of building this project from the park's perspective is really something I think folks will notice. City of Frisco does a master plan every 5 years or so for water and sewer, and this is one of the top priorities that was identified in our master plan.
This project is underway north of El Dorado Parkway and west of Preston Road. It includes 3 different elements, the most important being the replacement of a wastewater pipeline that's larger.
The sewer interceptor is helpful because it plans for the future.
The large pipeline is called an interceptor. It collects wastewater from homes, businesses, and industrial areas and takes it to treatment facilities.
The entire sewer interceptor has been completed.
Crews are now working on finishing the hike and bike trail and the reinforcement of the creek banks to prevent further erosion.
It just so happened that all 3 of these areas lined up, and we were able to combine them into one construction project. We combined all the designs together to build it all at once.
The trail follows the general path of the interceptor.
This trail is about 1.5 miles, and it connects to the Dominion Trail and then into Northeast Community Park.
The trail includes 2 bridges over Panther Creek.
We have 1 more bridge to put in, and there's a few sections of trail that also need to be completed, as well as the storm sewer improvements.
Crews are shoring up the banks of the creek to protect existing and future infrastructure, including homes and the hike and bike trail.
The stormwater piece is important because over time, the creeks tend to erode.
Construction is expected to be complete this summer and the trail open for walkers, runners, and bicyclists.
This project is about $14 million, which is paid for by bonds as well as grants.
To learn more about all the hike and bike trails across Frisco, go to friscotexas.gov/trails.